Okay, hi everyone. My name is Vanessa Jimerson, and I'm in my hometown of Fairbanks, Alaska. Um, so this is where I currently live and where I set up my weather station. It's an apartment complex right down the hill from UAF. This is Chena Pump Road. Over here is where Geist Road ends and it turns into Chena Pump. Um, Chena Pump Road is going from north to south right here. And this red um, teardrop is my apartment, and I set up my weather station just right along these bushes outside. It is located at um, 64 degrees north, 50 feet, 47.8 inches, and 147 degrees west, 52 feet, 5.8 inches. So when I first got my barometric pressure device uncalibrated, it was at 1016 um, millibars. Um, and at 1016 millibars, it also read 30 in mercury. For when it was calibrated, after I calibrated it, um, and this is indoors, it read 1067 millibars, 31.5 in mercury. My indoor temperature is currently 76 degrees Fahrenheit, which is also 24 degrees Celsius on the left side. On the right side of the thermometer, it was 76 degrees Fahrenheit as well, and in Celsius, it was also 24 degrees. On a different thermometer, on like my thermostat in my house, it read 77 degrees Fahrenheit and 25 degrees Celsius, so it was pretty accurate. I was pretty sure it was working correctly and calibrated. Also, I forgot to mention this is all at 7 p.m. So the magnetic declination of my observing site was 17. And let's go to the next page. So after I set up my weather station outside, I left it alone for like 30 minutes so it could get recalibrated for outside weather. And I went back out and checked on it, and it's pretty warm today. So when I checked it outside, the left side of the thermometer read 15 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the same as -9 Celsius, and the max on the left side read 76 degrees Fahrenheit from when it was inside, I'm assuming, which is also the same as 24 degrees Celsius. The minimum was 14 degrees Fahrenheit, which is also -9 Celsius. For the right side of the thermometer, outside it was 16 degrees Fahrenheit, which was -8 in Celsius. And then for the right side as well, the max temperature was 74 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the same as 23 degrees Celsius. And the minimum was 15 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the same as -9 degrees Celsius. My barometric pressure changed while it was outside. It actually went up a little bit. I'm not sure why the pressure increased, but it read outdoors 1027 millibars, which is the same as 30.3 in mercury. It was also no wind outside at all. I stood out there for a good amount of time and I felt no wind. So the Beaufort number I put as 0, and the little tiny faint breeze that I did feel, um, for the compass direction, it was 32 north of east. The clouds outside are, it's mostly cloudy. I marked the 3/4 of the sky covered with clouds, so it was mostly cloudy. But the clouds were high up. I could still see, some stars and the moonlight. Um, and I looked at my little cloud guide and I decided that I thought the clouds were stratocumulus. Um, and for as far as precipitation, there was none. Outdoors, pretty calm outdoors. Let's see what else I wrote. Also, for the wind, we have a smokestack on top of our apartment complex, and the smoke was going straight up in the air. It wasn't, the trees weren't moving, so I'm very sure that there was no wind whatsoever. So yeah, thank you guys for listening to my video. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I forgot that there was other slides. So again, here is my apartment complex, and zooming out a little bit. Here's my apartment complex. Over here is all of UAF. And then this is Chinapump, and then this is Geist Road. I'm on the west side of Fairbanks over here. Sorry, I forgot to show these. So again, here is UAF up here, and then this is the airport. Over here is the east side of Fairbanks. Yes, and then here is Alaska. Right inside the interior, there's some mountain ranges to the north, and then southeast Alaska down here. So yeah, thank you guys so much for listening to me talk. I also put a photo of what I thought the clouds looked like outside today. The stratocumulus. So yeah, thank you guys so much. And sorry if I was all over the place. I'm still learning how to use this. Okay, thanks. Bye.